Hello, I'm Brian. This is Kayla. She's going to be helping me with my Skinfold and Fat measuring project. So we're going to be measuring 7 sites 3 different times. The 7 sites are the triceps, subscapular, chest, mid-axillary, suprailiac, abdominal, thigh, and waist circumference. So when you're testing with Skinfold, you always want to test the right side of the patient, no matter even if we flip her around, whatever, it's always got to be her right side. So first we're going to be testing the triceps. With triceps we need a measuring tape to measure the halfway point between the end of the shoulder and the end of the elbow. So it's about 14, so we're going to go to 7 inches. I'm just going to leave a mark here so we can just go back after. And then typically with the triceps, you want to go to the back of the triceps to actually get the triceps, and it's a vertical fold. So I'm just gonna get here. Boom, all right. 18 millimeters. So we're gonna test that. All right, next we're gonna do the subscapular. To help, if you really can't find like where her scapula is, you would ask the patient to have their hand behind their back. So we're gonna do a diagonal fold right around here. I'm just gonna mark it. Gonna mark it. Diagonal fold. All right, that's 10 millimeters. Next, we're gonna do the chest. Turn around, please, thank you. And typically with like female patients, you want it more above the armpit, so like around here. We're just gonna mark it, and we're gonna do a diagonal fold. All right, that was about 8 millimeters. Next, we're gonna do the mid-axillary. So right side again, a way to do it is to have her right hand rest on her left shoulder. And then typically with females, you can measure just by their sports bras. So the sphenoid process goes down here. We're gonna lift it up a little. I'm gonna measure, and I'm gonna mark it right there. And this one you want a vertical fold as well. All right, 10 millimeters. Next, we're gonna go to the suprailiac, which is basically the iliac bone. And this one's also a diagonal fold.
Sorry.
Millimeters. Next, we're gonna go to the abdominal site, which is about like 1 inch across the belly button. So we're gonna mark that. About 1 inch is right there. And this one is also a vertical fold. $12 millimeters. Now we're going to test the thigh. You also want to get measuring tape for this. 22 inches, so we would measure around 11 inches. And this one is also a vertical fold. And can you stand on your left leg? Thank you. So typically you would want to measure like a couple times to actually get the subcutaneous fat away from the skin. 20. And typically females would have more fat in their thigh region. Next we're gonna test waist circumference. So can you hold that right there? We're gonna do it, since we're gonna do it 3 times, we're gonna test higher up, then middle, then lower. And then just pick the smallest number. All right, let go. So upper region is around 28 and a half. All right, now we're just gonna go over the sites again. So triceps, back here. $16. Previously we had 18. Subscapular, right over here. Diagonal fold. $10. We had 10 previously. Chest, right over here. Diagonal fold. $8. We also had 8 previously. Mid-axillary. Oh, sorry. Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. This one is also a vertical fold. $10. We had 10 previously as well. Super iliac, which is a diagonal fold. 10. We had 10 previously as well. Abdominal, vertical fold. 12. Had 12 previously as well. Thigh. Yep, thank you. Which is also a vertical fold. 20. Had 20 previously as well. Now we're going to test the middle of her waist. Okay, hold on right there. Thank you. Let go. Here we have 26 and a half, which is an inch and a half less than the higher region. So we're going to do everything once more. Triceps. $18. Subscapular. $12. Chest. $8. mid-axillary, ten, suprailiac, 10, abdominal, 12, thigh, 22, now we're going to test the lower portion of the waist. Right there. Comes out to be 29.5. So relatively, all the scores are pretty near each other. The chest is all 8, mid-axillary is all 10, suprailiac is all 10, abdominal is 12. The average of the thigh would be around 21. The subscapular average is around 11, and the triceps average is 17. And we measured different regions for the waist. So that's how you would test skin folds and fat measures. Give a round of applause for Caleb for participating, and thank you for watching.